How to use Law of Attraction for skin care and beauty. Law of Attraction got famous from the movie Secret. But the truth is that there is nothing new about the concept. We get what we think about day and night, and this is what Law of Attraction is all about. In the past, you heard of people using its technique to gain love and wealth. Interestingly, it can also be used to gain beautiful skin. In today's post, we will know how you can do it. Remember, it will be helpful to you even if you do not have the power to conjure up a strategy in your mind. Step 1. Just think about what skin problem you wish to cure. Do you wish to just appear beautiful? If yes, then keep this as your aim. Step 2. Next, select a picture of yourself. Make sure no one is in it except for you. Also, it needs to be on the hard drive of your computer. Step 3. By using any photo editing software, change your picture the way you wish to appear. Note that if you just wish to cure zits, hide them in the picture. Another example can be of tan. In that case, if you want to whiten your skin, do this in your picture. If you want, you can choose your old picture where you appear beautiful and acne-free. Step 4. Once you are done editing your photo, save it. Step 5. Open the PowerPoint and import your picture to it. In the headline section, write down your aim in this format: I have clean skin now for acne problems, I am very pretty now for appearing beautiful to everyone, or my skin is white now for getting rid of tans. Be very careful when you structure your sentence. Never include a word that describes your problem. For instance, do not write a line like this: I am acne-free. You don't want the universe to hear anything negative. Step 6. After writing your line, save the PowerPoint. Step 7. Take a look at it 3 times daily and say the line you have written on the top of your picture whenever possible. Feel good and excited about it. Think this is how you are now. Doubt and expect nothing. Step 8. Keep using any cream or steps you think will eliminate your skin problem. Feel positive about it.